It's Sunday, May 26, 2019. It's about 10 after 4 p.m., Victorville, California. The winds here very rarely stop. It's been going on all day, started yesterday.
Today's like the worst day of the week, don't you?
Yep. It's been going on. We've been here since May 1st, and it's almost daily. There's only a few hours in any given day that it wasn't like this.
Stuff on our roof like you were around.
Well, that's the roof just ripped off that shed down there. Now the wind, there it goes. Went and took a look at it earlier today, and they just ripped the material right away. There's nothing to patch. So the weather is calling this 18-mile-an-hour winds. The winds are being...
I think it's more like 35.
Winds are being generated because of the snow caps melting on Mount San Antonio, about 50 miles or so in the opposite direction of this picture. So we're looking northeast. And this is about the third or fourth video we have of the wind, spread over hours. And that's what I wanted to get, that little tree whipping like that. You can see the roof. That line you're seeing is the radio antenna. Sitting in the driver's seat of the Mini Winnie. We're protected on three sides by buildings, but we're still getting rocking and rolling. That's the wind you're hearing. You notice it doesn't pause. It snows.
It doesn't pause at all.
There's one that rocked us.
Because someone more cows going on.
Yeah. Just keeps on continuing, but doesn't pause. We couldn't leave today if we wanted to.
What if they have many roads beside if they flash and pull off? Do they mean winds or do they mean snow? That big, right?
What are you saying?
They tell you to pull off the exit when you see the light flashing.
That's the snow up on Route 90 up in Montana.
I don't think we live in that place.
Big Sky, Montana. These do have signs on the road that say high gusting winds. They start flashing, and trucks do pull over, especially in wind like this. All right, that's enough for this one.